Today, we're working on a red machine. Not this one. This thing is almost okay. We're working on this guy, lady thing.
Today, we got a brand new video. The dirty job, the biggest job I've ever done in my life. Boom! Rep clutch. If I ain't got rep wheels, make sure I get the rep clutch.
Let's get it.
Today we got the Miata on the 4 jack stands and she is airborne. Gonna be getting under the car, pulling out that transmission, and putting an OEM kind of set of luck clutch and flywheel, along with throw bearings and stuff. So enjoy us, have fun, grab a beer, and when we're done, we're gonna go do some skid. When the clutch is broken in, if it will probably break inside the transmission. Already started by doing the interior, and the car's on the floors, so now we got a bus ready to do it. On another note, I got all these Hot Wheels. I got the blue FC, an Audi Avant RS2, a green NSX, Prelude with a black hood, double up, Range Rover Classic, RTR Ford Mustang, Datsun 620, a yellow Miata, RS5 Coupe, R8 Spider.
Cool. Hey! So, you missed it. We took out all the really hard to get bell housing bolts.
We did the whole job.
Yeah, basically we did the nitty gritty and...
Okay, yeah, we got one bolt holding this whole thing in right now.
Awesome, and he's directly under it. Ow, hold on, stop. I have something in my eye and I can't see what's going on.
Yeah, I got it back on.
Let's have a gander, guys, because my hands are clean now that I'm not wearing gloves.
Ooh, look at that big drip.
Where?
All the way up top.
Oh yeah, his cam angle sensor is just spewing. Look at this though. Oh, custy boy. Down low, right there, yeah. Look at that thing.
Alright guys, it's weekend number 2 here. We're gonna go ahead and get the throw bearing done in this real quick. Just yank the clutch out here. You can see, the clutch doesn't look too bad, but this is all beat up. I mean, the grooves are starting to go too compared to the new clutch that we have over here from Luck. And then the new flywheel over here.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but here you go.
Alright guys, so I pulled the rear main seal out, just got the new flywheel with the bearing pressed into it, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this big boy in. Okay guys, it's like probably 4 hours later. Here we come in on the update. The transmission is fully bolted up to the block. We just gotta put in, it's all torqued too, which is cool because those are really hard to get to. Putting the downpipe back in with the transmission bracket bolts, and then everything's good to go. Come back here tomorrow, we're gonna fill the tranny up with fluid. Hopefully it's all good. Okay guys, day 3. We've done quite a bit of work here. Everything is set up on the Miata, the exhaust, and everything underneath is all bolted up, ready to go. The clutch has been bled, so now we're gonna go ahead, pop that wheel back on, drop the car down. We started it yesterday, so that's good. Just haven't put it in gear, so let's fire this baddie up.
Okay, so we have bled the clutch. We have to break in the clutch, and then we gotta have some heckin' fun.
Oh, that's leaking so bad.
At least it sounds louder. Alright guys, we're back. The mess is cleaned up. We rolled the car out because we were getting fumed out. All the penetrating fluid's burning off. It was like smoking out the engine bay a little bit. Yeah, so this is the initial try of clutch.
It just smells like water.
It does, yeah.
Okay. All the gears work. Good.
All the gears work. He says that's good.
And we... Whoa. Whoa!
Okay, you're about to drop off that thing, so. Oh yeah, and the exhaust is leaking because Oh, he just did a burnout. He just did a burnout.
The clutch works again. Oh yeah, man.
You have to start breaking this clutch in because that's what's left, right? Going off our checklist here. Some good old-fashioned fun. The catalytic converter was like super rusty and it came out no problem. We just zapped it out, but the threads on the bolts were not fine. So we had to, it smells really bad. We had to jam some bolts in it and tap our own threads. Oh, Nelly, this is a low baby. First time in second gear.
Third, nice.
Oh, shit.
In the trunk? I need mask, bro.
Put it on. Put it on.
This is why I kept these in here. The key snapped in half, so we're screwed. You do a clutch and then the key snaps in half. The Miata is plated and good to go and be dailied.
Really don't want.
In other words, it's broken now. So with the broken key, that's the end of today's video. Miata is going to be daily driven. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Alright guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.